Respected political figure and former representative of Mawlai Constituency, Stunling David Khongwir, passed away at the age of 90 on Tuesday at the NEIGRIMHS Hospital, Shnong. The seasoned politician, renowned for his 25-year term as the MLA of Mawlai, retired from political life in the year 1998. Khongwir, a highly regarded leader in Meghalaya, held significant roles including Deputy Chief Minister and played a pivotal role in forming the United Democratic Party. Beyond politics, he served as the Rangbah Shnong of Mawlai Nonglum for an impressive 55 years, showcasing a lasting and impactful presence in regional affairs. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Khongwir'S, who had paid his last respects to the departed leader, said that the love people had for late SD Khongwir reflected in the kind of leader that he was to his constituents and the state in general.
We are deeply saddened by the demise of late SD Khongwir, and we all know him as a very senior and a person who has contributed immensely to his constituency, to the state as a whole. And he has been known as a person who's been really loved by the masses. And it was reflected in the kind of support he continued even after he was not an MLA. Even then, the support that he saw, the love he saw from the people, just simply reflected the kind of leader he was, the kind of love that people had for him. So definitely we will all miss him. I also have had the opportunity to interact and meet and work with him in the past. Even as a Rangbah Shnong, we had, when he was the Rangbah Shnong, we had multiple meetings. So I really had a lot of chance to learn from him and to interact with him and discuss so many things. And I remember meeting him last, just before the elections. And it was a great opportunity. I'm happy I got the opportunity to meet him. So at this point, I do express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in peace and give strength to the family so that they can bear this loss that they had.